How to get Badoo Premium for free. So if you want to get Badoo Premium for free, then what you need to do is first open up your Badoo application and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged into your Badoo, you can simply go to the profile, which will be on the bottom right. Tap on your profile and then you can go for the upper right, which has that settings icon. Tap on settings and here you will have account on the second. Tap on account and here you need to go for delete account, which is on the bottom of your screen. Tap on delete account and then again tap on delete your account, which is on the last option, and then tap on continue. And here you need to simply enter a reason why you're leaving. So tap on I don't want to pay, or I feel overwhelmed, or any other option, and then tap on continue. So you might be wondering why I've taken you to the delete account page, because so in Badoo, if you go to delete account page, then it will take you to the premium, because it will give you the free premium for a month. If you would like to delete your account, then it will ask you to have a premium, and once you tap on get premium, then you will get the free premium while deleting your account. So it just gives you to stop the further process of deleting the account. So in some countries or in some regions it might not be available, but in some region it is available, and you can simply choose that option, or you can use that trick to get Badoo Premium for free. Or other than that, we don't have any other option to get it for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.